Hey everyone, Matt's Mox here, and guess what we're looking at today? Well, I think you could already tell, these are the Toma slow drives. So basically, Toma made these originally in HOn3, but people like me and others were like, hey, we need some HOn3 drives. So, that's what we get. This is what we get. They come in this pretty nice box here. All of them have the same type box, except it's marked on the front what type it is. So there is the 6mm wheel and the 7mm wheel. I have only 7s because, I can. Although I would like to get a 6 with a 12 base for a certain build I want to do eventually. But yeah, so we got 12, we got 14, and we got 16, all with 7mm wheels. And as you can see, they are, well, that. You've got the teeny tiny one, which again, you can see, very nice looking. They come with these centers in the box that you can put in, but he also has a outside rod and also a steam locomotive style wheel with rods, so you have a lot more variety. I don't have those packs because I couldn't get them at the time, but I will be getting them soon for other projects because I need to order more of these. They're only $48 US. I was like $6 shipping from Japan. That's pretty cheap. It's very cheap. So again, they're really good. They all work very great. Of course, a lot of size variety, so you can make a lot of small engines. This large one will be used with a few other builds that I know of. I know a friend of mine's designed something to use this, which if you've been looking on Facebook, it's actually the Cincinnati center cab diesel from the Nashville and St. Louis Railroad, which, yes, they had a narrow gauge division, but we won't go over that in this video. Of course, the short drive, I use it in my Mack locomotive because the die-cast model from those days, it didn't really have a idea or plan for a drive. So as you can see, it literally just sits right on top of it, and it lines up perfectly because I made it line up, and it just looks right. And also it's numbered 5 because I could do that. We'll pull that away. Again, these drives are very nice. They're easy to DCC. They got these brass gears, and they're just so tiny yet so big. And I will say something really nice is being designed for this. I don't want to spoil it, but it also works really great if you have something like this Grant Line 25 tonner. As you can see, the wheels almost line up. So either way, you stick it on top of there, it's almost like it's correct. Sure, you could also stick a HOM drive underneath and you could make the Botwood Railway engine, but again, you stick this Grant Line on top of it and because the Grant Line, I removed the drive. Original drives on these were horrible. Grant Line drives were just terrible to begin with. Not gonna lie. And this one is equipped with the narrow gauge stuff, so it does make sense, narrow gauge it. Yeah. But that's pretty much all I could really say. Again, these are this engine. This engine had to fight me. These are very nice motors overall. They're decently cheap. Again, $48 a piece. And with the side rods, which are, I think they're like another $5, you basically get any kind of drive for any kind of model. So you could have all sorts of electrics, steam. If you put 2 of them together, like the small ones, or maybe these mediums, you could have a really nice Heisler. Yeah. Or a center cab. And, you know, this one makes a really great power truck for stuff like, I don't know, maybe motor cars or Boston Revere Beach Lynn. You know, just throwing it out there. But anyways, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. You now know more about these Toma drives, and of course, I will say on that 6mm wheel, 12mm body, I got something really nice. But wait, don't forget, if you're gonna use them, this decoder right here from ESU, the micro, this is like the perfect decoder to use from, because look at it, it's tiny. You could hide it on there. If you're building something really small, just hide it on the front, and all of a sudden, you've got basically a DCC engine that's tiny. Endless possibilities here. Endless. So, that's it.